Hi guys, I'm in this beautiful place here with friends and friends' family, and we are putting on the solar on the rig. So I'm here with my lovely assistant Vanna. No, he's the director of how this should go. So we're gonna okay, Vanna, that's enough. We are putting on the solar on the rig. So show you how the whole install goes. So far we've got the panels up on the roof. Let me get up there and show you carefully. All right, so this is how we're gonna have them laid out, basically anyways. 2 back here, 2 up front. Wire them all together, go down through the refrigerator vent, hook them all together, and I should have power. Imagine that.
I want to get it somewhat even. What can we use to measure that over so that they're all even? I kind of like that.
What do we got down there? Now comes the moment where he puts holes in my roof. Oh.
So we got the holes drilled, and now we're going to go ahead and put down some die core, and I'm actually going to lift it, and let's show them the holes right down here. I'm going to lift it, and I'm going to put a little bit of die core right on that hole, right on that hole. I'm going to do the same thing on the one over here. Set it over here. And again, right there. And that's going to seal up those holes, and it's also going to make a seal and hold down on that foot. Got a little bit of extra there. This is self-leveling die core, so this is going to level itself, and I don't have to worry about spreading it out or anything else. But that is also going to help secure the feet firmly to the roof, so I don't have to worry about Miss Karen's solar panels blowing off her rig. Now the trick is going to be
Getting it back on there.
see if we can find those holes.
Okay.
All right, that's okay.
Switch that one. Shift that one.
Yep.
And this one.
Now let's see if I can find the holes. Right there. Okay. Right there. Right there. So far, so good. That one. Good.
Lining right up.
We are doing good. I'm going to do the first one for you, and then I'm going to let you do the other ones here, Miss Karen.
Okay.
So you're going to bring these down. You're going to tighten these down, and go gentle. You don't want to strip
Over.
it.
Yeah.
Just to tight. Just to tight.
Okay.
So, and then after I've got these down, I'm just going to go ahead and run a little bit of Dicor right over the top. Right there. Right there.
Ready to go?
Oh, actually, I need to hand you this.
Take that.
You get that.
Boy, that's hard.
You're doing good. This one is going downstairs. Now this is where it's going to get kind of tricky because it all wants to coil.
Yeah. All right. Down there and wait for it.
Yeah. Maybe waiting a while because I have to try to get this straight as possible. We're just going to go right on down the back side of the refrigerator, and Miss Karen is right down there, so I'm going to pass it on down.
Okay guys, so at this point we have the wiring. We brought it down behind the fridge right here. We took it down through there and it comes out inside here, right here. And we're gonna bring it on over and put it through the wall here. We're planning on the controller being in the closet, right about here. And then we got to do some more wiring that goes back over to the battery so we can connect it to the batteries, which are underneath this step here. So we are getting close. We've got a lot of it done already. It went pretty quickly, and before long we should have it all set up. So stay tuned.
We wanted to set it up so that each panel is separate. If one panel gets shade on it, it won't take out the other three panels that have sun on them.
Yes.
So that is unfortunately what we don't have the connections for to make that happen. So we got the panels up there, but we're only going to be able to connect 2 panels at the moment. Miss Karen is going to have to order some more
Wiring
some
connections.
more wiring connections.
Yeah.
So
Okay, so we got it all hooked up. Got 400 watts of solar up on top. It's been absolutely wonderful having power. We went ahead and put in a 1,000-watt inverter. At some point I'm probably going to go get a bigger inverter, something big enough to run the whole house. This little one for now works just great. We went ahead and ran into town and got the extra wiring and connections that we needed. I just wanted to get it done. I didn't want to wait to order. I could have gotten cheaper, but it's all set up and I'm very pleased. We went ahead and put 2 in parallel and 2 in parallel. So we found out that there was a problem with the way the wiring was set up. The house was not wired to the house batteries. They had it set up so it was wired to the chassis battery. So all the time we were trying to monitor the house batteries, we were getting numbers from the chassis battery. That poor little chassis battery was trying to run the house by itself. It's not supposed to be set up that way. We had to do some reconfiguring on the wiring to try to get it set up correctly. We're still not sure if it's correct. It's really hard to find wiring diagrams from a rig from 1999. So it's still kind of a work in progress, but it's doing just fine, and I'm loving having the power. I want to send out a big thanks to Dave from Our Endeavor for all his help in getting this project done, and also Bend Battery. They let us discuss our plans, pick their brains, get information from them, and they had everything I needed right there. So really appreciated their help. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.
Probably going to go in up here. Yeah. Okay. It's like, are we going to run out of screws?
That would suck, because the kit is supposed to be complete.